Hello. This setup is installed to demonstrate the use of pressure switch to on off the pump. If you see here, this is the sunlight pump, and on the delivery of the sunlight pump, we have installed here it's a pressure gauge here, and this one is the pressure switch. This is adjustable pressure switch NC type. That means normally closed type. This is the wall. It should be at the end of the pipeline at your installation site, and this is the water meter if you required. So this is the setup. Now the first step is to set the tripping pressure of the pressure switch. So we have here the two terminals of the pressure switch, and we can use the climeter or multimeter to check the continuity across the terminals. To set the pressure, now we connect the terminals of the pressure switch here with the multimeter here to see the continuity. Since it is a closed type, you can see the beep here or some reading. It shows that the switch is in closed condition now. So now we have to set the pressure, and for that we need to on the pump first. Now we will on the pump. Now the pump is on. You see, and now we have to set the pressure of 4 bar by closing the wall here. Now it is set at 4 bar. We set the pressure tripping switch of the pressure switch now. If you see here, this is the NC type pressure switch, and we have here adjustable screw to adjust the pressure, tripping pressure. And now this pressure switch is connected to the multimeter here. You see here. Since this pressure switch is NC type, that is normally closed type, we see here some reading. That means it is continue. Now we adjust the pressure screw to trip it at 4 bar here, and it will be indicated as soon as the switch should be tripped. It will be indicated on the multimeter here. If you see here, now the technician will adjust the screw so that we see the switch terminal opening on the multimeter. If you see here, this is OL. That means now the switch is open. That means the switch is now set at 4 bar. Whenever the pressure inside the pipeline goes at 4 bar, it will trip. Now once the pressure switch is set at 4 bar, we have to make the connections with the pump. For this, we need to connect the pressure switch in series with the flow switch. We have here flow switch already connected, so we have to cut the one wire, any of the one wire of the flow switch, and across that we have to connect the terminals of pressure switch in series connections. Once the connections are done, please secure the connections with applying some insulation tape over, and fix the cables firmly on any support. Now we can see the test or live test of the pressure switch. For this, we can start now the pump. Before that, we will release the pressure, the wall here, so that the pressure is minimum. Open कर. Now we start the pump. The pump is started, and now we'll test if this pump will stop at 4 bar pressure or not. Tight करा slowly, slowly. Now we close the valve and observe. And at this point, we will see if this will trip. It will take few moments to stop the pump, because the pump will sense as it is like a dry run sensing, and it will take few seconds to sense the signal, and then it will stop. Now the pump is stopped already. That means the pressure switch is working very fine. Now this is automatic off position of the pump, and as per the delay for the restarting the pump will automatically restart after 15 minutes. So we have to wait for 15 minutes and pump will again start. And if the pressure is below 4 bar in the line, the pump will keep running. If not, if the pressure is above 4 bar, then pump will again stop and it will again wait for 15 minutes to start. Now the 15 minutes are about to complete, and we will see if the pump will start automatically or not. You see the pump is started now, and it will be functional since the pressure now in the pipeline is less than 4 bar, so it is now working and it will keep on running. Now we will see the actual condition at customers or farmers when, if he closes the valve at the delivery point, the pump will automatically stop. If suppose now the farmer is closing the valve fully, he don't want water anymore, so he will close the valve at his point. You see now the pump is already stopped, and now again it will start after 15 minutes.